Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today is Thursday, the 3rd of December. Nearly forgot what month we were in. And somebody mentioned that I've been using this wrong. Apparently it's a countdown and not for the date, but I'm going to do it for the date when I can for videos. So as you can tell by the date that I'm holding up, we're filming this one, cutting it fine a bit, aren't we? It's going to be going up this afternoon for you. So if you're watching this on Thursday the 3rd, at 4 PM. Hello, hope you're having a nice day. Is it raining where you are? It's a very drizzly day in London today, and later on I'm going to be heading back up to Leeds. So I'm getting some filming done this morning. I'll get this one edited and hopefully it'll be up for you in time for you to watch it today. So I hope you're having a good week so far. Let me know what you've been up to. And yeah, I hope you caught the previous videos that I put up already this week. We had some DIYs yesterday, and the first video that I put up was decorating the big tree behind me, the 6-footer. The charity shop tree. Anyway, today I thought I would decorate the smaller tree, which is one that I picked up from a florist in Covent Garden a couple of years ago. You might remember that if you've been watching this channel for a little while. But I've got some decorations to unbox, so I thought, I've got them down from the loft, I just thought we'd go through them all and see what we've got. And I've also got some new ones as well that have been sent over that I thought I'd share as well. So we'll get straight into it. If you're new here, do click subscribe for new videos every single week. And if you enjoy this Decorate the Little Christmas Tree with me, then give this video a thumbs up. Cue the intro. Okay, so starting off we have some glittery ones. I've forgotten where these have come from. I'm going to be rubbish at remembering everything. I think these were from Tiger or Hamer, one or the other, if I remember correctly. But they're really nice glittery green and gold, so I think they're going to probably go on. I put them in this box. I think the box was from, oh yeah, Paper Chase. Nice box that, isn't it? Our little nutcrackers on there. And then I have this one here from Cater Wolfhart. So this is a German Christmas decorations brand, and they come in these beautiful traditional boxes. This was actually a gift from my partner's family, and look at the packaging of that. How nice is that? And this one, let me show you this. This one is beautiful. It is this owl who loves Christmas time because he thinks it's a hoot. How nice is that? So we'll pop him on. If you've got a name for the owl, do let me know in the comments because he hasn't been named yet. And then we have another box here, shoebox size. This box was from Wilko's last year, and in here we have some more novelty ornaments. So we have a drill, because we love the DIY here, don't we? We also have a couple of cameras, this really lovely ornate one, and this one as well. I think this one came from Primark. This one's plastic, and this one is glass, because I love my cameras, love my vlogging and taking pictures, so they'll be going on. And then we have a traditional phone box in the red with snow on top of it, and then we also have a letterbox as well. Do you have one of these near where you live? The traditional kind of post box. You might do if you're in the UK. If you're elsewhere, not a chance probably. And then we have this cactus, which I think was another tiger ornament. Just found the old Poundland lorry coming in with all the Christmas deliveries. Never mind Santa's sleigh, that's what that's what brings the presents around here. And he sometimes likes to go for a little spin around on it when he's being extra naughty. And I have a few more in here. So we have this Harvey Nichols London black cab, which is kind of like a velvet embroidered one, so it's soft. And I've got some letters here. I think I'm actually going to do a DIY with these this year. These came from Home Bargains and they're quite reasonable. They're under £1. I think they might even be 39p each, and a really nice idea if you're wrapping presents. And then we have this other cactus, again from Tiger. Really nice. Another cactus here, I think this one was from Primark. And then we have I thought this was a movie camera, or it may be a projector, one or the other. And then we have bottle of fizz. This one that says champagne on it, that was from Poundland from last year. And then we have this little one that says cup of cozy. Nice little hot chocolate with a candy cane on it. So I'm going to get the tree up shortly, but I've had some other ornaments sent over from a company called Gisela Graham. Now you might remember way back, when me and Kate went down to the car boot sale together, we spied a stall that was full of Gisela Graham bits and pieces, and we picked up some lovely stuff there. We actually got some little Christmas signs. I think we got one each, if I remember correctly. It's somewhere, it's upstairs, so I might bring that out soon. And we also got some lovely plant pots. They do lots of nice homeware and that sort of thing. You see them pop up in lots of gift shops, lots of little like high street stores, if that makes sense, like independent ones. You'll sometimes see their stuff in as well. But they've sent me over a few of their Christmas ornaments. They had different ranges to choose from, so I had a look through them all. And the range that they've sent me some ornaments from is from the Eucalyptus Garden collection. It's all kind of nice greens and silvers, which I really like. So I thought I would share with you the ornaments. Thank you very much to Gisela Graham for sending these over. They are absolutely beautiful ornaments. This is the first one. So this is plastic, but it's this really nice 3D snowflake, which I just think looks fab. Catches the light really nicely as well. I'm sure once that's against some of the fairy lights on the tree, that will look lovely. And then there's a couple of figurines of these little fairies that I'm actually going to give to my sister because I think she'll really like these. And they also match in with the collection, so they've got the green going on, and looks like she has a tiny little pine cone attached to her skirt there, and a little crown on with almost looks like crystals. Really, really sweet. And I like the fact that the wings have that effect going on as well. I think that looks great. So we've got that one, and then she's got a mate, so she doesn't get lonely. This is her friend. So these two might need names as well, if you have any suggestions. And then we have a couple more of these. Nice to put things on the tree in groups, isn't it, sometimes? So if you have one ornament, sometimes it's nice to go for a few, or sometimes it's just nice to have individual ones, isn't it? Now this one I think is wonderful. So inside, I think this is really unusual. It's got, well, it actually reminds me of the threads you get when you're using the glue gun. If I don't think that's the desired effect in there, but it also kind of looks like, I don't know, like kind of cobwebs or icicles or something. I don't know, it just looks really cool. I've not seen one like that before. And then we have the nice branch design on the edge of that as well, that's kind of glitter too. So really nice. Glass as well, that one is. Yeah, they've all got just the little tags on. They don't actually say anything else. So I know that I do like to read out labels to you if it says anything of interest. And we have another beautiful snowflake. I love the design of this one. I feel like there's something about the fact that that has the swirly bits on it that makes it look like that kind of hand-blown glass, which I think looks lovely. And again, it has a little bit of glitter in it, not too much. Really nice, and it's frosted, isn't it? So it does look really frosty. Frosty snowflake, loving that. Then we have some beautiful acorns. How about these? So these are glass ornaments, and we have this really subtle, it's almost like a green in the gold. Is it gold? Actually, it's a very pale silver, I think. I don't think it's got any green in it whatsoever, but this one has got green. And it's got little beads in amongst the detail at the top there, if you can see that. And then we have another one here, which is like a pale green. So the three together, they're all slightly different tones, but I think they look lovely. What do we think? Very, very nice. And then we have, in case our fairies need a ride, we've got some little wolves to take them around on. Or are they huskies wearing Christmas garlands around their necks, and they've also got a little pine cone on their necks as well. So we've got a couple of those, and then a couple more of the baubles as well. So I'm looking forward to putting these on the tree in amongst all the other ornaments. I think maybe I'll put these ones on that tree. I feel like they'll go really nicely on that one. And I'm going to put all the novelty fun ones on the small one. But yeah, let me know what you think of those. They remind me a bit of kind of like Narnia. Are we getting that vibe from this collection? With the acorns. And these are kind of like little wolf type things. Yeah, that's kind of what that's reminding me of. So yeah, I'm gonna get decorating. So let's see how these look on the tree. Let's get this one up first.
It's been a year, riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you. You're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you.
There we go. I really hope you enjoyed this video, decorating the smaller tree with me and popping the ornaments onto this one as well. I think they look really nice, don't they? They've tied in quite nicely, which is fab. So I'm going to finish my coffee, enjoy the rest of my morning, get this edited for you. Then I'll be packing my suitcase, which is just behind the camera, unpacked. Half unpacked, needs to be packed again, I'm off again. And I will be bringing you maybe a vlog tomorrow. We shall see. There might not be a video, but there might be. I'm just waiting to get one finished off for you. So hopefully that one will be ready for tomorrow. So do click subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell if you're already subscribed, and that will let you know when I post a new video. But I'm trying to go for 4 PM during the week, hopefully most weekdays. We'll see how we get on for the rest of the month. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a little thumbs up if you did, and don't forget you can always catch me over on Instagram. It's Mr. Carrington or Mr. Carrington Home. If you like the jumper, I'll pop a link to this in the description box. What do we think? Quite feeling this one. I like the colour scheme on it. But there we are. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the vid. We've said that already, haven't we? Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday evening if you're watching this right now, as in today, as in the 3rd. And yeah, I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thinking of my own